To make this signboard, I started by dissolving some white acrylic paint in some water and giving the wood a whitewash. After the paint dried, I applied a layer of wax to give the board a shiny, finished look. To make the letters, I cut an H, an M, and an E out of cardboard. Then I wrapped them with jute string. To make the roses, I cut out 5-petal flower shapes out of foam paper. Using hot glue, I stuck a pearl in the middle of the first flower and wrapped the petals around the pearl to create the bud. Then, I glued the bottom of the bud to the second flower and wrapped the petals the same way. To make the O in the word home, I cut out a heart from the same foam paper I used for the flowers. Then I glued all the roses on. I cut out some smaller flowers and used them to fill in any small gaps, as well as adding them to the border of the heart. Then I stuck the letters to the board. You can leave them as they are, but I wanted them to really pop, so I painted them with a diluted black paint. And finally, I stuck the heart on to complete the word. I hope you liked this tutorial. Please give it a like and hit the subscribe button to see more of our crafts.